Hello, welcome to recording. This is Burnby channel. I am joined by Live Zoo. Please speak. What you just heard there was the voice of a 600-pound gorilla.
Oh.
Okay, so now we're making we're doing a Pokemon tier list for the starter specifically.
Yo, you just lagged.
Oh,
Gone.
well that's a shame. So I don't. So I guess we're gonna I guess we're gonna start off with Snivy. Where would you put Snivy?
Hello?
Snivy is recorded.
So which tier? I don't really have an opinion on Snivy,
Good head, so beat your.
but it beat Ash's Pikachu. So
What?
you choose. Wait, what tier would you put Snivy in?
B, because fucking she give good head.
Okay, Snivy's in B
Yeah,
tier.
going C.
Let me just. So Oshawott.
Okay, yeah, are we lagging for you?
No, you're not lagging.
Why Tepig?
Okay, that's great because you're lagging for us.
Okay. Oshawott.
Also what?
Yeah.
A tier. A.
Do you guys?
Is not eat.
I feel like just fluctuating.
Also what is great. It's A tier.
Oh god, it's
Yeah.
not the lag stuff.
Nah.
B.
Fucking kill. Fucking.
Not the lag
C
stuff.
tier.
B.
A.
We can all agree.
I agree on A.
Cannot.
Oh, oh, well, that was an accident. Oh, wait, no.
Go
Oops.
to B tier.
Okay, how do I make another tier? Because I kind of want to add row above, and then we're gonna call this one. We're gonna make this A.
I hate
That's
it.
why I chose him.
Okay, what the fuck are you doing, EA?
And then we're gonna make this.
Make
A star. So would Oshawott go into A or A star?
What the fuck is this? You ruined it. You had it set up.
Okay, sure. Would Oshawott go into A or A star?
Dude, like.
I don't really care for Oshawott, so I'm
okay.
just gonna put it here. Okay, so Fennekin.
Fox is bit
Oh god, the C.
good because.
Finnick
No.
is hot.
Yeah, exactly.
So where? A tier.
Also, it's a fire type, so it's great.
Fire type sucks.
So A tier.
I'd say at least put it. Wait, do we have
Hey.
to do 8?
Yeah, we have two A tiers because the 8.
We have A and A star.
Yay! Fix the video and fix the tier list first.
Yeah, we're 100. We're getting. What the fuck? Is
What the hell is that?
Best video quality. Holy shit.
What's happening?
Microwave bad choice.
Okay. So Fennekin where?
This is like harder than you. What the fuck? Who planned this?
No one. So Fennekin where? We still don't.
What happened?
Look how much we have to get through.
Why not?
Oh, and now I've picked Charmander. I'm just gonna put Charmander here. No, not here. You're going to B. I don't like you.
No. Charmander is C tier.
Perfect.
Charmander is A tier. It's nostalgic.
Shut up.
It's C tier. It's overrated. Onion, your opinion on Charmander?
A.
It's
Hey,
It's
EA,
C. It's
you
fucking C. It's overrated.
okay. So
Fix
Bulbasaur.
the video.
What do you mean fix the
It's
video?
fixed.
Nothing's happening.
We're getting 1 frame per second. You should be grateful for that.
Oh well, I can't really do anything about that.
Bulbasaur S tier.
Really? Actually, you know, I don't mind Bulbasaur.
Yes.
Bulbasaur. I'll put him in there.
Bulbasaur
Actually-
is a C
I kind of want to put him in A star.
No, it's S.
tier.
Bulbasaur is a fucking strong. One of the-
Garbage.
no, it is. Ladin, you're tier.
No, Onion.
And you, goddammit, agree with me. Bulbasaur.
C.
You can't see what Onion's saying.
We're outvoting Onion. We're not-
Onion, it's S tier. It deserves S tier. You fucking know it. You fucking.
I'm putting
That's
A star's fine.
No,
Fuck
it's
you.
not.
Okay, I'm
Shut the
making the
fuck
tier
up,
list, so
Ladin.
shut up.
Shut the Cyndaquil goes. It's a B tier.
Yeah, I like Cyndaquil. It's perfect there.
No, it's not.
What do you mean? No, it's not. What would you put it above B tier? Cyndaquil.
Cyndaquil is
no,
solid.
S tier. Cyndaquil is S tier.
Hell, you mean Cyndaquil S
Too
tier?
much. It's a, you're not voted. That's it. It's B tier. That's
Okay,
how you fucking want it.
I'm just gonna.
Oh, but Susie, I can't outvote you. We can't.
No. Turquoise. What? Wait, what's that guy's name? The
Totodile.
fucking-
You forgot his name. That's good reason enough to put it in C tier.
Rico.
I think he B.
B? No, I'm putting.
Yeah.
I'm leaving Totodile in
I
C.
like him in the anime.
Yeah,
For
but
once, I agree with.
In the anime, he's a really fucking good. Like he's
yeah, if I put him next to.
That's why I
I
like.
didn't watch the anime.
So Trico. I'd put Trico in A.
D tier.
D. Why?
I don't like him.
Trico. He's just, okay. I'm
No.
putting him in C. I'm putting him in C
I
for
don't fucking
balance.
Trico is amazing.
No, it's.
We haven't even got to the evolutions yet.
What's Rayquaza?
Hey guys, what's Rayquaza? That's so. Hey, look, Rayquaza is tier. Look, you see that green snake thing?
Yes, I see.
Shit.
Superior.
Mudkip is overrated. I'm saying D tier.
Wow. I'd put him in C. You know. Budkip. I like. It's not like I love him, but
Fine, C tier.
Mudkip goes in A tier.
shut up.
Turtwig S tier. Turtwig S tier.
Bruh,
B.
yeah, me and Onion.
Chipmunk. No, Chipmunk. I say B.
I care not for your Chimchar is the best starter today. I disagree with anyone who says otherwise.
Yeah, but Chipmunk
Croaky.
is designed ugly. He looks ugly.
Yeah, but still, I love Chimchar. It's so much.
I say B.
I love no.
I say B.
I'm keeping Chimchar in S. Gen 4s.
Joe.
But then with
Joe,
the with Piplup, yeah.
like, come on, let's evaluate his design.
Yeah, but I don't.
Like a fucking beanie baby.
But I don't care. I want him there.
Okay, can you at least lower it to 1 rank?
No, but yeah, no, I'm
It
not.
should not be the same rank as Turtwig.
I don't. I'm keeping Chimchar there. Okay, next Piplup.
A tier. It's solid.
C tier.
No,
Froggy
you're
S.
fucking dumb.
Yeah, you know Froakie. Froakie.
No, Froakie A+.
Froak. I
A+.
put evolutions in higher tiers than Froakie.
Yeah, let's
S.
put Greninja in S tier, not Froakie.
Yeah.
Rogi and Greninja.
No, I'd put Froakie in just
Wait, do you
A.
have Greninja? What is the fucking evolution for Greninja?
Uh, wait, why is there no?
There is one.
But there's only the white Greninja.
Ah, fuck it. White
White
supremacy
Greninja.
once again.
Okay, so Litten. I don't mind Litten. What do you think of it?
He just died.
Oh, holy shit. The quality just lost 6 times. But
It's really good.
Nice.
It's designed on Incineroar.
It's horrible, like it.
It's a recording screen. Okay, never mind. It's
Why is there no second evolution things?
what do you mean by
This
it?
list is horrible.
It is bad. Litten where? A.
A tier.
I would if I could move it. Concept. Okay. Oh.
Hey, so. Oh, what the fuck? Put it back!
Okay. No. Okay. Where would they go? Rowlet? Where'd you put Rowlet?
A+.
Rowlet is A plus.
Yeah,
above Froakie, you bitch.
I'm sorry, Joe.
Yeah, but Rowlet's key. Rowlet can go there.
Rowlet can fucking suck my dick.
I'm up to recall just to commit against.
The new quality is 6 times better. But Rowlet should be.
Yeah. Popplio.
A tier.
You know what, Shaw? Torchic.
On that I had.
I put in
A
B.
D tier.
What? I put in B. Why would you
I
go?
see.
I'll put in D because majority. Of them. Okay, now
Oh, no,
Squirtle. Squirtle and
Eevee.
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 Put Eevee in A plus. Yeah, but it doesn't. Yeah, but why they not using it? That's stupid.
Eevee. S.
Okay.
Eevee goes.
Oh,
Plus it has a solid design.
it's getting to S tier. Just wait for the
Holy shit, why the fuck is the laggiest person doing this?
I don't know. Okay.
Thank you, Onion. Thank you, Onion. This is the S tier.
No.
Wait, no, put that away. Put the fucking pin. Put the
Not good. I'm just not gonna look at this card chart.
Mr. Spicy shit. Can you fucking fix the dumbass thing?
Embar and ST.
I'll kill.
Fan service. I do not like it. Even Charter took.
Okay, A plus then.
I like to go A plus.
What is?
Nothing?
A plus.
Fine.
Eevee wins it again. Not Eevee, Pikachu. Yeah, what's the difference? Okay, and Squirtle, right?
Mm-hmm.
We got to do Squirtle.
Yeah, so where do you put Squirtle? Do the evolutions.
Okay, Blastoise. Yeah.
Which here?
8 yard. This is fucking tank.
Okay.
What?
Did it crash?
Crashed! Yeah, file chicken fighter.
Blaziken, okay. So, where do you put Blaziken?
D tier.
Really?
S tier.
D. Why? It's so horrible.
What do you mean it's so horrible? What's wrong with Blaziken?
All my,
It looks
Mega-
ugly.
Yeah, but we're not basing it entirely on looks.
We're basing it on everything, and looks count in. So
Yeah, but
D
there's
tier.
other factors as well. Oh,
Okay,
it's-
this is Mega Evolution.
yeah.
Is Mega Evolution.
Joe, are you gonna say something?
Ah,
Just
Okay, he says something.
Joe's camera shy.
Joe's confused. He doesn't understand Pokemon. Joe, red means fire.
Not always. What do you call
Always.
what do you call chandelier?
Wait, we skipped Chipmunk.
Which chipmunk?
The Chipmunk, the grass Chipmunk.
Chespin? Oh yeah!
Yeah.
just put him there. Just put him in D.
No. S tier.
What? No!
After.
No!
Yes.
No!
Yes.
If Rocky
He's a
if Rocky didn't get S tier, Chespin is certainly not.
Okay, A plus, A plus, A plus.
Why?
Oh, you said A plus.
It's A plus.
Fine. God, why though?
Because it's good.
Okay, fine. Blaziken.
D tier.
I'm gonna put him in C, just next to Torchic.
Okay, T.
No.
I know.
Fan service.
S tier.
I'm gonna put Charmander.
No,
S.
I'm,
But Zibby, I think you
Charizard
chose-
S. His Mega Evolution, his design, everything solid.
Fine, fan service.
And its strength.
Yep.
Chestnut. Can I put this in D?
S tier. S
What?
tier.
No, what? Okay, Chespin.
It looks good, it looks
Chespin's cute, but why Chestnut?
It looks fucking cool. It's a motherfucking tank.
No, it doesn't look cool. I'm just put it next to Chespin then.
No. Onion, is he deserving of S tier? Onion, tell us right now. Hey, Onion said S. We
Okay.
have two S.
Okay.
Joe.
I say B tier. Or at least A.
You put him next to Chespin.
yo, I'm
It's
back.
S.
Yeah, you.
Joe, where the fuck have you been?
Brixton is fine.
Okay, tank boy, the green tank boy, S tier or no?
Joe's been complaining about the quality. Hold on. I'm gonna.
Don't do anything, don't do anything, don't do anything. I swear to God, I'll see you, motherfucker.
Okay, come on.
Okay, put him in S tier.
A star's fine.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Chestnut is not a amazing starter.
It's an S tier, it's an S tier.
No, it's not.
Chestnut is A.
Yeah.
It's an S tier. Joe, is it an S tier?
What?
He just-
Plus,
I don't know. D.
yeah. Okay. So we're keeping him at
keep
A.
it in A plus.
We're keeping
keep
it A star. Okay. What's Decidueye?
S.
S.
D.
Sure.
S.
I hate it.
I don't mind
It's
Decidueye.
amazing.
It
What's
looks
his-
gay.
Oh, dude, that one is hot. S tier. It's hot.
Is that Brixton?
What the fuck is he breaks? Put it in S, it's hot.
yeah, but it's.
No, it's not.
I'll put it in A star.
You know, fucking just it up in Rule 34.
No, we haven't searched up in Ruth.
You guys are fucking faggots. Anyways,
Empoleon.
go straight to A.
Straight to what?
Yeah, see, Onion's amazing.
A.
Okay, A. That's fine. We got a lot.
Exactly.
We got a lot of
Onion,
water types
That's what I
today.
mean. Oh no, Joe posted that. Joe, keep it.
Yeah.
For alligator.
Keep it here. Put it in pink room. Put it in pink room.
Okay, calm down. For alligator.
Hold on.
For
That
alligator.
crocodile.
Yeah, the crocodile. This one.
D.
Okay, so
D.
yeah, Incineroar. That's he's cool.
Not.
I'll put him in.
D's nuts.
I'll put him in
D's nuts. D,
A.
D, D.
I'll put him
No,
in.
D. No, don't.
Incineroar? Why? He's the bud.
He sucks.
In what way?
Guys.
He looks horrendous.
Okay, it's not all about looks. He's fire dark. It's a difference.
Incineroar is weird. If there's
Joe,
an
did you
F-
post that image in Pink Room, by the way?
Hold on.
Okay. Yeah, no argument.
Wait, I have an argument. That's supposed to be DTR.
Shut up. Meganium.
No, that's probably an A.
Wait. The monkey is supposed to be DTR. So is the other thing.
The
No.
monkey's supposed to be S.
Yes. Monkey.
No,
yes.
No. The fucking giraffe, the green giraffe, and the fucking monkey is supposed to be in fucking D.
What the hell's the
Joe,
green?
please
What?
post that GIF
What
in
the hell
Pink
is the
Room.
green giraffe? Meganium. Meganium's a D because
Yo,
Meganium.
can
Delete
you-
that.
Meganium's.
Yo, post it in Pink Room.
And
Meganium's
in my
bland.
Discord.
Okay. Primarina.
Wait, the monkey's still. Wait, the monkey's supposed to be DTR.
I don't care. I'm keeping monkey there because his favorite star.
Landon. That's bias. That's bias. Landon, the fucking monkey.
S tier.
Yeah.
No, fuck, you're insane. Joe, the monkey.
The monkey, D.
Onion, the monkey. Onion, the monkey. What tier?
Looks
We
like
got
that.
3 Ds. The votes win. The votes win. 3 fucking Ds and 2 S.
No.
Put it.
Does it?
the-
This YouTube
democracy
channel is not a
once again.
democratic system.
I don't care. Put it. Now it's
This
democracy.
YouTube channel does not have an intro with
This
dubstep
is
and
not
flashy images.
democracy and it never was.
Please fucking put it.
London,
in
why
DTR.
should we put
Everybody say
Primarina?
DTR.
Because it's
STR.
hot.
STR
Primarina?
is hot.
S tier.
What's wrong with you people?
Have you never fucking
No, I haven't.
put the monkey
not?
back in DTR?
It was never in D tier.
Okay, guys, ground version Rayquaza time. Skeptile.
Septile.
Yeah, Skeptile. That
Yeah,
goes in
yeah.
S.
Ground Rayquaza.
Yeah, it's amazing.
It goes C tier,
Especially the
C
Mega
tier,
Evans.
C tier.
I don't want to put Septile. I don't want to put Septile in C tier. Septile's
Why
good.
A plus?
Okay, fine, A tier, A tier.
S.
No, A
Nothing
tier.
says F.
I'm keeping in between S and A, so.
Fine.
Okay, Superior.
It's Rayquaza.
I'm just gonna.
Rayquaza is S.
Hey, Rayquaza S. Rayquaza is a good legendary.
No, it
No,
goes in A.
no. Plus it's hot.
Stop!
It
Stop!
goes in A.
I don't think it's hot.
No, there is. It exists and it's quality.
Joe, you do realize that is not actually a Rayquaza, right?
That's Rayquaza though.
It's
It's close enough.
it's a grass type Rayquaza. Okay.
Yeah, it is hot. Onion, post some snivy
It's a
shit.
fucking snake.
Okay.
No,
What's his
Okay,
What's its name?
Mudkip goes B.
What's its name? I forgot its
Wait,
name.
no, A. It
Swampert.
goes A.
I forgot its
it
name,
goes
so I
A.
think it should go B.
Swampert goes A.
I kind of want to put it B because
Greninja
I
S.
forgot its name. Torterra. I'll put
That's the wrong shit.
I'll put Torterra in S.
I love how A is just all water types and fucking dumbass
Torterra.
ass.
Yeah, I put Torterra in S. Torterra's cool.
I'd put it in A.
Typhlosion B.
D.
S.
D.
I'm putting
Type
D.
Explosion is an S.
Hell, you mean Typhlosion's an S? It's bland as hell.
It's the best
A.
starter.
It's A.
Reset.
Venusaur is A.
Reset.
Now Samurott.
What do you mean reset?
Greninja.
Fucking D. I don't want to admit it, but it goes to D.
Damarot's great.
Now we're just everyone agrees Greninja S tier, right?
Greninja. No, I don't agree.
What do you not
tier.
agree?
What do you mean Greninja?
Greninja.
Goes
I see a B tier, so you have to knock it down by 1.
But why? Greninja's good.
It's. I don't
Because
like
Zubi's
it.
is asking
It's the
for
vote from
another
me.
council.
Okay, it keeps us. Did we miss anything?
No, that's it. I think
Yeah, we missed like all of the.
we're not talking.
Second
We don't
Evo.
care about mid stages. This
Wait,
is
they
fine.
have mid stages.
No, there's no mid stages on it, so we don't.
Yeah,
There's no mid stages on it though.
Grayson is the
Dude,
best.
fucking Charizard's Charmander's mid.
Charmeleon is
Charizard.
nothing.
Charman's mid stage is an S tier.
It's an S tier, but you don't know its name.
Yeah, it's Charmeleon.
Okay, so we're gonna
Okay,
end the video
is over,
here.
I'm leaving.
Guys, outro. No, actually, no, not Zuby. Joe, you outro because you haven't spoke.
Hey guys.
No, wait, Zuby, let Zuby, let Joe outro. Let Joe outro. He
If you
doesn't.
don't agree with this tier list, you're fucking
Yeah,
retarded. Go kill
Queen.
kill yourself, you fucking retard. How do you not agree with this? Fucking monkeys, retards, cunts.
You know how long this
Hey,
video
don't
is?
forget your Discord. Put your Discord
Shut
in
the
this.
fuck up, you fucking.
You know what? Discord, I'll put it in description.
What?
I'll put the Discord in description of this video.
Yo, can we make a thumbnail for you?
Join his Discord.
You know,
I said everything. I don't want him to
you know what, Shaw,
ever
but
again.
I'll make it a thumbnail.
yeah, well, that's it. Joe sign
No,
off.
but for real,
Video is
You're a
over, I'm
fucking retard if
leaving.
you don't